Welcome everybody. With spy shots plastering the internet from bikes of riders like Richie Rude and Asa Vermette, it's no secret that Fox has something new up their sleeve. Welcome to the world's first four-way adjustable monotube shock. Welcome to the fully redesigned Fox Float X2. And don't forget about its mullet-rocking cousin, the DHX2. From the outside in, the all-new Float X2 reimagines what it means to be the best, swapping complexities for durability, all while maintaining the seemingly infinite adjustability. Repositioned rebound knobs, a more refined firm mode lever with detints, and 1cc increment volume adjusters, this means you have more adjustment and control over your bike's performance than ever before. But what's the new tech inside? Well, the showstopper here is the switch to a monotube design. I'll leave the explanation to the engineers, but what you need to know is simplicity means better pressure balance, more reliability, and long-term consistency. Combine this with a new shim stack, a larger base valve, and you have a recipe for a damper system that better mimics the award-winning Grip X2 damper, giving you better control over your bike's balance from front to back. The results speak for themselves. The Fox Float X2 has a long lineage of winning races and bringing that world-class tech to you, the consumer. With a full makeover, the new X2 promises to continue its pursuit of perfection and further cement its name as the definitive gravity shock. Welcome to the new mullet-rocking party boy of the family. The all-new DHX2 implements the same internal architecture as the Float X2, wrapped tightly in an ultra-light heavy metal jacket. This redesign of the DHX2 takes a staple in the downhill and freeride industry and pushes it further. The monotube chassis, the more precise adjustability, the added support, and the larger half-inch hardened steel shaft all carry over from the X2. But with the ultra-low friction nature of a coil shock design and the new MCU bottomless bottom-out bumper, the DHX2 is guaranteed to keep those heavy-hit, rock garden-loving riders loyal to the coil. Whether you're looking for the nearly infinite adjustability of a four-way adjustable air shock or the ever-dependability of a coil shock, the 2026 Fox lineup has what you need to rise to the top step or to simply get the most out of your bike. Oh, and before I forget, the Fox has also made the new SLS spring in matte black. Full sizing, colors, and details available at s4suspension.com.